welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a DIY of a kurti into kurti jacket, as you have already read in the title. So I'm making a jacket of this kurti only. Now it fits me well right now, but I thought that this kurti can be a good for an ethnic jacket, one kurti. And this kurti is very old. I have worn a lot and it was also about 200 rupees. So now it's time to DIY of it. So without wasting a furthermore any second, let's get into the video very quickly.
You need scissors and Fevicol. If you have fabric glue, then it would be better. Now this is my kurta and I'm planning to cut it from between on this line. So I just made a cut in this, and the end result you can see this kurta is been now in two halves from the front opening. So this kurta has this little kind of hook thing in the top, and I think it would be great, so I won't be removing it. Now take this Fevicol and stick the side ends of the kurti. So here's a hack of doing this. I put a Fevicol in distance of 2 to 3 centimeters. So in that way it is sticked also, and I don't need to use much Fevicol also. And it really got perfectly sticked, no issues come. But make sure to stick at these ends, as these are very important. As you can see, now these two has been joined properly. Same I did with other side also. Now put a proper pressure on it so that the cloth isn't stick in its place only, and as you can see that it is being sticked properly, and now it is ready to wear. Now for the front side, these edges I have to fold and stick because this side is being abruptly cut by me, and you can also see some loose wires, and also you need to give a proper finishing to it by sticking it. Make sure to put this cloth on the floor so that nothing else got ruined. Remember again to start by sticking these corners first, as once they are being fixed, then there is no issue in further doing. Repeat the same process again. Take a Fevicol and stick it properly. I styled this jacket with yellow top and these amazing earrings.
I have currently purchased from Fashion Street Camp, Pune, and it's amazing. Like, it's this I got for 100 rupees. Can you just believe it? I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Follow me on Instagram. I put up stories there, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.